Good morning from Moab. So today we get to do what we always get to do, and that's go on vendor runs. And today's is EVO's. You guys all ready? And we're off. How are you? No pleasure. I recognize your voice. How you doing, my friend?
Your Jeep.
What's with the shag?
Hey, I'm fully retired. I mean, why not?
It's good to see you. I'm glad that you're out
I may
here.
do it like your hair. I kind of like it.
Thank you guys for coming out. Really appreciate it. We're gonna boogie out. I got the Gladiator up at the top of the hill. I'll jump in the Gladiator. We'll start leading up there. Let's go.
Time to get rolling. Here we are, steel bender. Put it into four-wheel drive. Turn on my sway bar disconnect. Smooth things up. It's always so awesome to do a trail like Steel Bender, especially since the condos that we're staying in is just up the street. You can literally hop off the trail, or onto the trail I should say, within minutes, if not seconds, of leaving our condo. Let's see all this right here. It's pretty amazing. Well, the nice thing about the rain is that there's no dust, at least.
All right, this is perfect. The glass is definitely half full.
Work with me, baby. Work with me.
Probably because it's Mel's Gladiator, but man, there's a lot of media out here today. So we're gonna do the best we can to capture anything that we can, but it's kind of tough. It's slow going, and there are camera guys all over the place, so bear with us. know, the weather is absolutely gorgeous today. We're a little bit concerned because there was rain coming in last night, and we know the forecast that there would be a bit today as well. But as you can see, the Clouds are starting to part. I'm starting to see some blue sky, and it is gorgeous. There's no dust, there's hardly any mud. Couldn't ask for a better day to be out on the trail. So coming up that big ledge, I totally slipped off my line like a bonehead. But fortunately, I hit my rocker guard really hard. No damage to the body. They actually held up extremely well. Looks like we're on the move again. Kind of a bummer, but by the time we got to the big drop off here on Steel Bender, there was a parking lot of Jeeps, which would have easily taken hours for us to clear it. So Mel decided that it might be better just to take the cutoff and head back into town and maybe use the opportunity to take a few photographs and flex shots of his badass Gladiator. To the end of the trail. It's kind of a bummer that we weren't able to run the whole thing, but it is Easter Jeep Safari and everybody's stacked up on the trail, so at least we got out on dirt, had some fun, got to see the Gladiator in action again, so it's still a good day.